I'm on top of the world. See, I gave myself a white Christmas the day after Christmas because I was with my family on Christmas. I wasn't alone. It was awesome. I'm up here at like, I don't know, 4,500 feet. I'm high. Let's watch a snowstorm, shall we? Abort mission. Well, it stopped snowing outside, and I have the bed set up. So, it used to be on this side with all of this down and just this one up, but I want more space over here. So, and I sleep to this side anyway, so it just makes better sense to do it this way. So, yeah.